Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. This is LiquidOcelot. Guys, today I'm going to do a comparison between Reddit and Discord. So guys, the basic difference is that Reddit is a news bulletin website, a bulletin based website, while Discord is a messaging board. You can do messages on it, and also Reddit doesn't have a partnership program, and Discord recently unveiled a partnership program. Other than that, they have similar communities like subreddits and Discord servers, moderators that are volunteers. So a bit of the same. Let's check the website performance. Global ranking: Reddit is 19 and Discord surprisingly is at number 27. Reddit is on 12th in United States and Discord is on 13th in United States. So we see that the monthly visits for Reddit is 1.7 billion, while on Discord 1.13 billion. So they are neck to neck, to be honest with you. United States, both of these countries are having Discord is having 16.8 from United States, and Reddit is having 83%. I don't know why the stat says that it's ranked 13th, and these are the stats for Discord and Reddit, my friends. So let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of both these websites, how you use them for traffic and whatnot, for entertainment purposes. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell notification for future updates. Thanks for watching.